Here's how we can enhance our audio in Capcut if you're not recording using a good microphone or just recording it anywhere. So here is the original audio that we're going to enhance it. Okay, so in this video, we're going to show you how you can install Krita AI Diffusion. Okay, so with that, we want to enhance this, so you can always right click to extract the audio, or you can just leave it as it is and apply the effects. Now using the AI, we can be able to enhance this. So let's duplicate this in order to know the differences between the two audio here. So this one will be the original and this one will be the enhanced. So in the second audio here, let's select that, and you can see already here we have the basic settings here where the volume, fade in and fade out, and this is where the magic happen with the AI. A loudness numerization and enhanced voice and noise reduction. So let's click on the loudness numerization and then enhance, and then you can see it's processing up, and then also the noise reduction. So here's the original audio. Okay, so in this video, we're going to show you how you can install Krita AI Diffusion. Okay, so in this video, we're going to show you how you can install Krita AI Diffusion. Okay, so with the power of AI, you can be able to do that right here in Capcut. Thank you for watching.